Good morning, guy. Welcome back. I'm so tired last night, so I have to go to sleep. Uh, Wake up in the morning, and I try to finish the Humvee today. If I cannot finish today, I have to upload my video. What I got. First thing first, let's go make some breakfast. I forgot bacon. Yeah, that's fine. No need jelly. No need bacon. Some peanut butter. Ooh. It's hard to beat. Ah, that's what's good. All right. All right, let's go back to work. All right, let's start drill all the holes. But this pram of the Humvee already have hole already. I just drill this frame got no hole, so I have to drill so many holes in here. Let's start drilling. All right, let's put two hole to hold the fender when I drill, so you don't move to different directions. I got a lot of them. This is from the store, Harbor Freight, $3. But I have many of them short. I got long one over there. So every time I drill a hole, I drill one and I put them in, because sometimes I drill the hole and it shake the fender and then it go, and then when I come back put this rabbits later on, a different hole. So that's what I think, but I don't know. It could be, but maybe not. But it's not going to be hurt to put drill in and then put in one by one. Cool. Nothing is fun. Drill, point this rabbit in, not fun. It's always take energy from here and then go back right here. For this one, the way it bends up, so I have to push this down, push this plate down, push all down. What I'm gonna do is, I can't push this with my hand. I have to use the 550 cord. I will insert one of these holes right here and tie, and I will use the ball and then again down, make this one flat, so I can temporarily maybe just use one of this or drill the hole. Alright, you gotta work with me. You gotta work with me. Right? So bend this way a bit. I'm gonna use another 550 cord. right now I turn this one, kind of like push it down. You see how I see it going down. Drill one hole right here. Let's drill the hole. Yeah, let's secure this down. That is all the video for today. I will go wash my hand and go to work, and I'll be right back. Some bad guy around here or what? Helicopter up there. I don't know. This part is done. All I need is to drill this hole right here. Drill a bigger drill bit. Uh-oh. It's not good. Oh. I can maybe drill from the bottom. It'll work, but you gotta be like strong and push up, not like push down. Push down is easy, but push up, you get a lot of energy to do that. All right, 4 big hole done. I have nothing else to do on top here. Maybe I just let it go. See if it hit anything, it hit, but it not hit. Good. Should be good this time. You ready? Fix my truck. Well, a little bit messed the color up, but it's okay. Ooh, oh, it's good. Oh, it's been lined up. Okay. Pretty good. All right, at least I got this block back in place. Right now, my kids, my wife, pull me out of my work, so I have to go with them. I'll be right back as soon as I finish hang out with them, and I will continue to play with my Humvee. All right, bye y'all. So these 3 Allen rings is too close together. I can't even use, but I cut it short and then use my flyer just for the hole only, right there, and then I go from the inside and touch this nut up. Alright, same thing. Screw in. plate right here. Let me go right there. Oh, I need to drill one more hole. Yeah, I finally finished everything. Everything been plugged in, pin in, all the nuts and bolts. All of them are tight. I thought that I going to put AC unit in, but I happy to do all these and all the bolts and nuts and first, so I just happy I'm do that first. I left that AC alone. It been 9 o'clock, so I try to finish the AC unit inside of the fender, and I will be done for tonight. This AC unit, I don't know it's still working or not, because every time I turn on the AC, no AC at all. Oh no, this has been really damaged. Can't turn, so the fan cannot turn. I don't think I can use this. I'm not gonna install. Trash. It's very crooked in there. I don't know, it bent a lot. For right now, I don't think I want to install this AC unit back on the Humvee because it might not work. I keep it outside. I was dreaming. I'm dreaming to come to America. Now I'm here. Whatever I want, I have it. All right, let's try one more time. This time is will work. Yep. All right. So everything on the bottom is look good, except the AC condenser AC unit right here. But everything is look good. Okay. Yeah, everything been plugged in and everything been go back to where it belong. The next thing I am going to do is put all that tail lights and everything on the back on the fender. It's really getting late right now, so I'm go wash myself and have a nice dinner, and I'm gonna sleep. I will see you in the morning. Good morning. Yesterday got late, so I end up going to sleep. But today I will be finish the fender and install all the tail light. But first thing first, let's get breakfast and coffee first. Yeah, let's go do it. Coffee is so good. I got blueberry waffle, spam, and fried eggs for breakfast. All over the place. Hard to beat. All right. Let's go to work. See you over there outside.
Let's install the bucket, the tail light, and then all the. Sometimes work on the Humvee is easy. Like you don't have to find the right socket or wrench. All right, this is tail light house. This tail lights and brake lights is good, but I don't know what it is. Yeah, the signal like I think it's burned out. Yeah, this the one is black out. Like, right. I'm gonna insert all this wire. You gotta do it one by one to a small hole. So gram wire go there, and then both hold the tail light housing. Sometimes I cannot find my tool. Getting older, forget a lot of things. Electric drill gonna be over tight because I couldn't find my screwdriver. Yeah, cool. Stay there. It should be easy though because all these numbers, the wire already marked out the number, stuff like that right here, so easy to plug in. Drill new hole and punch them in. Good. Okay, it's good right there. Alright, everything is put it back in. Tail light is back in place. Yep. All I need to repair this tailgate. It's really damaged at the same time with the fender, so I need to repair that or buy a new one because I am tired with repair a broken Humvee. The fender video is complete. I think the fender is fully it's been recovery. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share my video to help me grow and help me to work on my Humvee full time. I have one that Humvee is start and run, and then another Humvee that not start and run. So I will do video on this Humvee later on, but for right now, let's end this video. You guys have a blessed day and thank you so much. Bye bye.